Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Charles Schwab, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Charles Schwab, begin by visiting the official Charles Schwab website. Look for the Open an Account button on the home page. Click on that button to get started. You will be taken to a new page with various account options. Select the type of account you wish to open, such as a brokerage or retirement account. Once you have made your selection, click the Get Started button. You will need to provide your personal information, including your name, address, and date of birth. Enter your social security number for identification purposes. Schwab may also ask for your employment information. Make sure to input your income information accurately. Next, review and agree to the terms and conditions. You will then be prompted to create a username and password for your account. Choose a strong password to keep your account secure. After setting up your login credentials, you may need to verify your identity. Follow the prompts for identity verification, which may include answering security questions. Once your identity is confirmed, you will be directed to set up your funding options. Choose how you would like to fund your account, either through a bank transfer or by mailing a check. Enter your bank account details if you choose to fund electronically. Review all the information you provided to ensure accuracy. Finally, submit your application to complete the registration. You will receive a confirmation email once your application is processed. Logging into your new Charles Schwab account will allow you to explore the platform and its features. Congratulations, you are now ready to start your investment journey with Charles Schwab. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.